Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can stabilize a shaky video in CapCut. So first, you just need to add or import the shaky video that you have to CapCut. You can see I've already imported one, and then just click on the video, swipe through the menu at the bottom until you find stabilized. Okay, this one, and there will be three options: minimal cropping, recommended, and also most stable. I'm going to just go with the recommended one. Just click on that and click on a check icon and wait for the stabilizing process to finish. Okay, now it has been applied, and this is the result. Now it becomes more stable like this, not shaky. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.